Inside this state-of-the-art factory, thousands of Snickers bars are produced every single hour with astonishing precision. Every layer is measured and deposited with laser-guided accuracy, ensuring perfect consistency in every bite. A continuous curtain of rich chocolate coats each bar in a flawless, seamless layer. Advanced robotics handle packaging with speed and precision no human hand could match. Within minutes, raw ingredients are transformed into perfectly wrapped chocolate bars ready for the world. It all begins with premium peanuts sourced from carefully selected farms. Upon arrival, the peanuts are automatically transferred into climate-controlled silos. Cocoa beans are scanned and sorted using optical sensors to guarantee flawless quality. Technicians monitor every batch through advanced digital control systems. The peanuts are roasted in precision-controlled drums to unlock their signature flavor. After roasting, they pass through cooling tunnels to stabilize texture and taste. Mechanical systems gently remove skins while preserving the perfect crunch. Some peanuts are crushed to precise sizes for even distribution inside the bar. Measured portions are blended with caramel in temperature-controlled mixers. Cocoa beans are ground into a smooth, rich chocolate base. Conching refines the chocolate for hours to achieve its silky consistency. Tempering ensures the chocolate sets with a perfect snap and shine.
The nougat layer is whipped to achieve its light, airy texture.
It's then spread into perfectly uniform sheets. Next comes a generous ribbon of golden caramel. Every layer is aligned with millimeter precision. High-speed blades divide the slab into individual bars. The bars move toward the chocolate enrobing stage. Each bar is coated in a continuous chocolate curtain. Excess chocolate is removed for perfect thickness. The bars travel through cooling tunnels to set perfectly. The chocolate hardens into a smooth, glossy shell. Wrapping machines seal each bar in seconds. Robotic arms organize bars into retail boxes. Each box is weighed and inspected automatically. Robots stack finished products onto pallets. Pallets are sealed and prepared for shipment. Thousands of boxes are stored in climate-controlled warehouses. Samples are tested to maintain consistent quality. Every batch is digitally tracked for traceability. From here, shipments head to retailers worldwide. Snickers bars are distributed across continents daily. A flawless curtain of tempered chocolate transforms every bar into a signature masterpiece. High-speed robotics seal each bar with millisecond precision and perfect alignment. Thousands of finished bars move seamlessly through a vast, interconnected conveyor network. Precision cutting reveals the perfect balance of nougat, caramel, and roasted peanuts. Temperature-controlled roasting ensures every peanut delivers maximum flavor. Automated palletizing systems organize thousands of boxes with remarkable efficiency. This is industrial scale at its finest: precision, automation, and synchronization working in harmony. Every stage is monitored in real time through advanced digital control systems.
Each bar reflects the precision engineering behind its creation.
From assembly line to packaging, the process never slows. Automated inspection systems verify weight, alignment, and consistency instantly. The final chocolate shell delivers the shine and snap consumers expect.
From Kisses smart maintenance charcoal and its most secret, delivering quality to millions around the world.